In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your server IP on Hostinger. Let's get started with a quick and easy walkthrough that will help you locate this important piece of information so you can manage your website more effectively. First, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. Head over to the hPanel website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials and proceed to access your account. It's essential that you have your username and password handy for this step, as you'll need them to enter the system securely. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard. Now let's move on to the next step. Look for the Websites tab, which you'll find on the main menu of the dashboard. This section acts as a central hub for all of your hosted websites. Click the Websites tab, and you'll see a list of all the websites you currently have hosted with Hostinger. Browse through this list to locate the specific website that you're focusing on today. Once you've found your website, you'll want to manage its settings. Simply click on the Manage button next to your website's name. This action will take you to the website management settings, where you can make various changes or updates as needed. You should now be in an area that offers a broad range of tools, specifically designed for customizing and maintaining your site. Now you'll want to focus on the dashboard. Within the dashboard, scroll down until you see a section entitled Plan Details. This section is important because it gives you a clear overview of the specifics regarding your hosting plan, including storage details and other essential resources. In the Plan Details section, you'll need to keep an eye out for a label indicating IP address or server IP. These labels are what you're aiming to find because they'll pinpoint the server's exact IP address for your website. This IP address can be critical for tasks such as connecting domains, troubleshooting network issues, or setting up secure connections. And that wraps up the process. With this server IP information now in your toolkit, you're better equipped to manage your website's technical settings with confidence. Remember, being familiar with where to find these details ensures that you're well prepared for any hosting-related needs that may arise. That wasn't too hard, right? Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time,